Hello everyone, welcome to another Quarantine Math Challenge. Here we have the beautiful results of Rainer Bedrich. If you remember, we had the Treefolk and we had to put them into tribes. I don't think we had that exact theme whenever we talked about this puzzle before, but that's a nice, interesting theme. So here we have all 23 of the 8-point trees. The way I represent them is that I have all of the angles the same around each point and all of the edge lengths the same. So that's the way that I like to present it. You guys can have 10 seconds to figure out which tribe each of these goes into. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, here we go. And the answer is, there we go. So let's put those into our graph, and that is results. So we see that 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2 is the most common. We have more than 2 of these tree folk going into that tribe. Reiner's email to me had these beautiful graphs, totally different from the way that I presented. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to discuss which of these ways to describe trees is better. I'll tell you right now that there's no right answer. Each of these ways to describe graphs have different attributes, some positive, some negative. So let's just see. These are Reiner's results. So this is going far beyond me. This is for the 9-point. So here's a typical problem that I have with my graphs. As the graph gets bigger, sometimes I have the points getting closer and closer together, maybe even lying on top of each other. The edge is intersecting, all of that horrible stuff. If you're interested in this kind of problem, then you want to go to Pinboard Murders on mathpickle.com. That's where I explore this technique of making graphs and the problems with it. So this is a graph, and now I'm going to show how Rainer would do the same graph with his technique. So his technique is to use a regular polygon and to put the points all around the outside equally spaced. And there you see the result. So the exact same graph. Remember, these trees can move around any way. They can do their calisthenics and yoga and get into all of these weird positions. It's still the same tree folk. Okay, so there we go. Reiner's versus my way of diagramming these trees. Now let's look at Reiner's results for 10-point trees. Again, this is far beyond anything that I managed to pull off. Here we go. There we go. Oh, it's so beautiful. Thank you, Rainer. Thank you so much. That was a joyful email to receive. You guys take care through these rough times, and I will see you on the other side. Bye-bye.